I'm going to show you why and how to replace your power window switch. So this is a F-150 Ford truck, and the reason I have to replace the switch is you can see that when I press down, nothing happens. The switch is broken. But when I pull up, it does rotate up. By coming up to the front door that has switches for all 4 windows and using that switch to control the window, and I can verify that it goes up and down. So that shows me that I just need to replace this switch. To replace the switch, we first have to lift and remove this switch housing that the switch is actually in. So what we need to do that is some plastic pry tools. You can use a screwdriver if you want, but you have to be careful that you don't damage and mar the surrounding trims. So we're going to go ahead and get this underneath, lift it up. Like that. Once you get underneath it, you'll hear one side pop. I'm going to bring this over and lift the other side. I don't want to lift it from the end. I want to just work it up from over here where it's at. Just like so. And once you've pried that up, you can pull out your actual switch assembly. So next, we'll go ahead and remove this tab that's holding it in place, like so. Now all we need to do is pull out the old switch and we can put the new switch in. So here's my replacement switch, and you can see that the previous switch is actually broken. And that's probably a big part of why it's not working correctly. To remove this old switch, we lift up these tabs, and there's 4 tabs, 2 on each side. You got 2 here, and once those 2 are lifted off, we need to remove the other 2. And so what I'm going to try to do is put my fingers here to keep that from sliding back, come over to this side, and lift this side as well, and just like that it comes off. Now it's time to put the new switch in to the switch housing, and all we need to do is make sure we orient this switch the correct direction, which will be like that. Take it here and just click it into place. Let's put the switch and the switch housing back in the door. We'll just take the same clip that we unplugged before, and we'll line it up and plug it back in. It only goes one direction, like so. It's clicked into place, and now we'll line our switch back up and snap it into place. And just like that, the switch now works. So as you can see, it's a quick and easy repair. I hope you guys found this video helpful and informative. As always, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.